Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will try to discuss about array using Python, and I will solve some uh, array DSA problem using Python. Here, I already created one Word file. First, we need to understand what is array. An array is a collection of items of the same data type. If the same data type stored at contiguous memory location, this makes it easier to calculate the position of each element by simply adding an offset to a base value. Here, an array is a collection of items. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are items. And get those data and those are same data type. If the same data type is stored at contiguous memory location, this makes it easier to uh, calculate the position. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are position of each element by simply adding an offset to a base value. The memory location of the first element of an array, the base value of the index is 0. Here, array start with 0. Always start with 0 and difference between two index is an offset. Element in an array are obtained by using zero base index. Elements in an array are obtained by zero base index. That means the first element is at index 0. Here you see 5 is at index 0 and second element as index 1 and so on. Therefore, if the array size is n and the last element will be n minus 1, because why n minus 1? Because it start with 0. If didn't start with 0, it will be the last index will be n. Those the index is in the interval 0 comma n minus 1. I think it is clear to you all. Next is we solve some array problem. I already create the question. First question. What write a program to reverse an array or a string? Here 1. Write a program to reverse an array or string. Here input array is 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you one thing. This array write down always start with third bracket and end with third bracket. And suppose if I write here one example of array 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the example of the array. Now we should solve the problem. Write a program to reverse an array of string. Here you see in the problem, here input is 1, 2, 3. Output should be 3, 2 and 1. So first we need to understand the algorithm. Algo First initialize here First, initialize the start and end state. Initialize start and end index as start is 0 and end is n minus 1. And second is in a loop. We create one loop and swap. We create one loop and swap array start and with array end. Swap array start with array end and change start and end as follow. Start will be we need and last thing is start equal to start plus 1. Sorry, I misspelled it. start. I write here state and told start. Sorry, this thing. Start equal to start plus 1 and end should be end minus 1. Means we need to declare the start value is 0 and end value is n minus 1. And second is in a loop we will create one loop and swap the array start and array end and change start and and change the start and end follow like uh, change change start and end like this way. Start is we added one in the start and we decrement the value in the end. Now start the program. To starting the program, first declare one function def reverse array. Here a is array and we already told this thing. We declare two things, start and end instead. Start and end. After that, while again we in the second number, I told that we created one loop. We will create one loop. So here I create while loop. While start is less than end. We swap to the start. We swap the value of start with end. We swap the value. First, we need to write a is start and array of end. Swap the value. To swapping the value here, write end comma start. And last is we need to add 1 at the start into the in the start. We need to increment the value and in the end we need to decrement the value. Next is save it and next is to print the value. We need to write suppose a is here here declare array is 1 2 3. Okay, Array is 1, 2, 3. Here write array. Array, array. Array is 1, 2, 3. First print array. If we print the array or save it and open it in the terminal and write down one Python first program dot py 1, 2, 3 printed. And now if we now call the function, here we create the function reverse array, call here reverse array, reverse array, and array start point is 0 and end point is n minus end point is here sorry, start point is 0 and end point is n minus 1. 0, 1, 2. 2 minus 1 equal to sorry, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Start point is 0 and end point is 2. Now print reverse reverse list is reverse list is in reverse array. Save it and again run it. Reverse the list is none. Here array need to print the array. Need to print the array. Here you see 3, 2, 1. Again I repeat the whole program. First we are creating a function. We created one function reverse array. Name of this function is reverse array, and into this array we take three things. Array, one is end, position is start, another is end. While we write down one loop, while loop. If while start is less than end, then swap the start array start with array end. Array start, array end, array in, array end, array start. Here we swapping start and end. After that we add one increment the value of start, and here after that we decrement the value of end. Here array is 1, 2, 3, print array. Reverse is array 0 and 2. Why 2? Because position of their position is 0, 1 and 2. So in the last position is uh, 3. Here 3 minus 1 equal to, here I already told you last position is n minus 1. Here is 3 and minus 1 equal to 2. Reverse list is array. Think it is clear. Next program is given an array A of size n of integer. Your task is to find the sum of minimum and maximum element in an array. Minimum and maximum element in an array. To solve this problem, we can first find the maximum and minimum element is given an array using linear scan. We can initialize the minimum and maximum variables to the first element of the array and then iterate through the array to update those variables as necessary. After finding the minimum and maximum, we can simply return their sum. Here, first declare write down one array. Okay, create one file. Second, sorry, pond second program dot py and write here one array. Array equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3. Here, first we need to identify the minimum element of the array. Here, minimum element in this array, the minimum element is 1 and maximum element is 9. Here is the first, then initialize minimum and maximum variable to the first element of the array and iterate over the array from the second element to the end. If the current element is less than minimum, if the current element is less than minimum, update minimum to the current element B. If the current element is greater than maximum, then update the maximum to the current element. At last, return the sum of minimum and maximum. I think it is confusing. Now, after writing the code, again I repeat this thing. First, create one function, find sum of max and min. Here, array and n. N is the size of element. Minimum value equal to max value and array of first element as array of first index. Now write down one loop for I in range of 1 to n and write if array of I array of I is the current element and array of a current element is less than minimum value, then write down minimum value equal to current element, and if the current element is greater than maximum value, write down max value equal to array of I, and at last return max value plus min value. Here write array equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, and I already told n equal to length of array. Length of array result find sum min max array of n and print the result. Save it and run this program. Python. Okay, we did some mistake here. I think min max sum of max min, sorry, sum of max min. Save it and run the program. 10. How come 10? First we need to understand this thing. Here minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 9. We add the minimum value and maximum value, that's why the result is 10. Again I repeat the whole thing. First we need to initialize the maximum value and minimum value of the first element of an array. First initialize the minimum value. First we create one function. Into the function right here we take array and size of array n and initialize the minimum value and maximum value maximum variable to the first element of array. Here I create one loop for loop for I in the range of 1 to n. I already told that iterate over the array from the second element to the end of array. If the current element is less than, if the here array of I is the current element is less than minimum value, then write minimum value equal to array of I. Minimum value is current equal to current element, and if current element is greater than maximum value, then write maximum value is current element. At last return the whole result, max value plus mean value. I think it is clear. Next is insert value last position of an array. Insert 89 at the last of the array. Now here we have a array 12, 82, 14, 32, 43, 54. This is this array is unsorted array. Later I will discuss what is sorted array and unsorted array. What is unsorted array? This is unsorted array. By using this unsorted array, we need to add 89 at the last of this array. Here we need to add 89. So write down the program. Save it. Oh, sorry. Third program. Dot py. First, create one function def insert. In the insert, we have to write. We need to take first is array and then this element, and into the array what we need to do, we need to add 89 into the array. Then it means we need to append this value into the array. So we write here array dot append is element. 89 is a element, and right here if name double equal to name, What is this? This line is used to indicate the starting point of a program or module when it is executed as a standalone file. When Python script is executed, when Python script is executed, here Python I write Python code. If when Python script is executed, the name variable is set to the string and main. Here main, if the script is main program being run. However, if the script is being imported as the module by another program, the name variable will be set to the name of the module. Now here write down array equal to copy here, give comma, this is the array, and key is 89, and after that we call the function. Insert it, element and key are same, array comma key, and print the array. Save it. Oh, sorry. Python program.py. Here 89, you see 89 already added into the array. Here in this program, again I repeat this program. Here first we need to create function, insert function. Into the insert function, we take array and element. What is our responsibility in this program? Our responsibility is we need to add 89 at the last position of this array, at the last position. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the 9th position of an array. Here write if a name is double equal to main. In the main function, write take one array and key is 89. Again call the function array and key. After that print the array. After that print the array. Again another now go to another program. Another problem is insert blue any position of an array. We need to insert the value any position of an array. Insert 34 at any position of an array. Here in the previous problem we add 89 at the last position of an array. But here in this problem we need to add 34 at any position of array. I need to add 34 in the fifth position. In the fifth position of a array. So what we need to do? First create another file 4.py, create one function, insert at position, take first array, second is position, and First is value, and right here a insert to position and value, return the array. Write down main function, call the main function, name equal to main, array is copy from here, and paste it here. Paste it here. Array is this is a array, and value is 34 na? 34. Value is 34, and position is fifth. I need fifth position. So array equal to we call the function insert at position array, position and value, print the array, save it and run this program. Python code.py, here 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here 34, we inserted 34 at the fifth position of an array. Again I repeat the program. First we need to create one function insert at position. Insert position is a function into this function we have to declare array, position and value. Here array is this and value is 34, and position I need at the fifth position I inserted this value. So array dot insert position and value, return array. After that call the function and print here. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.